Good morning everyone. Today's my presentation is about a brief history of a pi. Today's our exam will be about math. Next. My agenda is first, what is pi? Second, the ancient of pi, and third, revolution of pi's calculations. So first of all, what's pi? Pi, the ratio between the circumference and diameter of a circle, is perhaps one of the most famous numbers in all of mathematics. Irrational, transcendental, and never-ending, it has frustrated and fascinated mathematicians across cultures for centuries, and it has become a universally recognized symbol for the field in popular culture. The ancient pi. The concept of pi is ancient. It's been known to humanity for at least 4,000 years. In 2000 BCE, Babylonian mathematicians performed the first known calculation of the area of a circle using the circumference of an inscribed hexagon. And derived hexagon, it's the second, the next type of how can I explain that? Square. The next is pentagon. The second next is hexagon, and derived an approximate value for pi of 3.125. A little further south in ancient Egypt, the ringed papyrus dated circa 1650 BCE reveals that a value of 256 divided to 81 around 3.16045 was used to approximate pi. Around 250 BCE, Archimedes made a major breakthrough in calculating a more accurate value of a pi by using the Pythagorean theorem. They approximated the area of a circle by comparing the areas of a polygon inscribed inside the circle and one that surrounded it. Revolution of pi's calculation. By 1600, pi had been calculated up to 35 digits using the method of inscribed polygons, although with little theoretical progress made beyond Archimedes' work. In the 17th century, however, new analytical techniques were developed in the field of mathematics which allowed for improved calculations of pi using infinite series. One of the earliest formulae for calculation pi was proposed by English mathematician John Wallis in 1656. While calculating an integral in an attempt to find the area of a circle with a radius of 1, he established a formula involving the multiplication of an infinite series of fractions that was based on the value of 1/2 of pi. Later that century, Sir Isaac Newton is one of his many achievements used his binomial. The subsequent development of more advanced computers mean that pi could be calculated to higher and higher chemical places. By 1949, the ENIAC computer could calculate, ENIAC, I think I pronounced it correctly, computer could calculate 2037 digits of pi, and the IBM 704 was able to calculate 16,167 digits of decade later. The IBM 7 1090 broke the 100,000 digits mark in 1961, and the CDC 7,600 was able to reach pi's millions decimals place in 1973. So, what is point of calculating pi if it's infinity? What's point? First of all, calculating pi is a really good way to make sure that your new computer is working well, and furthermore, you can be the Guinness record holder by calculating the most digits. It's just a joke. So, and that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, you are welcome to ask.
Any question, guys? Thank you.